What is it but nightfall? No, not night, but death. Was it needless death after all? For England may keep faith when all is done and said. We know their dream enough to know they dreamed and are dead. And what if excess of love bewildered them till they died? I write it out in verse. MacDonagh and MacBride and Connolly and Pierce, now and in time to be, wherever green is worn or changed utterly. A terrible beauty is born.